Here we go. Take two. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can tell from the title of this video what we are doing, and I also showed you a little clip at the beginning of that, we are installing side skirts and maybe even a little interior cleanup, just like vacuuming and stuff. I don't know. We'll see how this goes. As you can tell, let me grab y'all. You can tell that these side skirts are really dirty, and that's because these are hand-me-downs. You know, shout out to Will. Appreciate it. Here is his Instagram. Go give him a follow. Awesome dude. He also has a awesome WRX. So I just wanted to throw that out there. Give these to me for free. What a man, showing the freaking community some love and passing down awesome parts that, you know, that people like me, I guess, need because I don't have any side skirts. So yeah, let's first I'm gonna go ahead and clean these up, take off these stickers, and then we'll get right to the install. Yeah, I really don't know. I might have to repaint these, but we're still gonna put them on because I just want to put these on. It'll actually so when putting these on, it'll actually finish my underbody kit. And what I mean by that is my front splitter and the diffuser and now the side skirts, and it'll be complete. All right, so I finally got the first one. As you can tell, it's pretty ugly right now, but that's just glue. Yeah, it's just glue. I'm gonna go get some Goo Gone and wipe this all off and get the other one done. And I'll see you all washing them right now because I'm not gonna record the other one. Just get this one. We're gonna do that to the same. We're gonna take off the stickers the same exact way. It's just mirrored. So I'm gonna have to take these off, and then we're gonna go ahead and go install them. So let's do that. UPS just came by for the next video coming up after this one. Maybe this might give you a little hint of what it is. If you know what that is, then you know it involves detailing. So let's take these down. I'm gonna go take these down, and let's just get back to the video because I'm not gonna actually record this. All right, let's go and wipe that out and then start with the side skirts. Guys, I mean, shoot, that's pretty freaking aligned right there. I got it pretty much perfect in the back. You can tell right here, and like lined up all the way. I'm not gonna lie, this stuff right here is hard to keep lined, but like the symmetry from underneath and the lip, there's a little bit of space. And right here, it gets about perfect, like literally symmetry. So there's a little bit, I messed up a little bit, a tad bit, but I mean, guys, that's like perfect. And then to the front, it's a little bit, as you can see, off, but I mean, there was a little bit on each side. You can't have it, I guess, perfect, but that's pretty freaking perfect right there. You feel that's like right on the edge, come right over here, right on the edge. That's mint. All right, then after I do both of the sides, we'll go ahead and get a cinematic. Not today, so it'll be the next day. So as soon as you see me do this, we're gonna go ahead and get right into it and just finish up the video there whenever I get to the place where we're recording, which I don't know yet, but guys, I know it's disgusting. My car is obviously, it's just, I hope it'll be clean by the time I do that video. I mean, at least the cinematic, but from the front lip to the side, oh my gosh, guys, it is perfect. Before, when you didn't see, okay, actually, hold on, it's right over here. Before, it's just, there's something missing there. You can tell there's like nothing there. And then you go right over here. That's perfect. And obviously, I mean, that's the whole point of it. The underbody kit is now complete. You can't beat that. So let's go into the other side. Hopefully, I'm praying I do just as good on this side as the other side. And then we'll wrap it up from there. So yeah. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed that little video of the side skirt install. It was pretty easy. I had a little, little complications with the right side with drilling into those. I had to re-tap another screw. I mean, for what it is, you can't beat the price. I mean, those things on eBay are probably like, what, $100 if that. I will put a link in the description, find the closest ones I can to these. I got these for free once again, so I'm pretty sure I can find them. But other than that, I don't like the idea of self-tapping. I do, I mean, it's simple, but when you mess up like that and only me doing it by myself, I don't have any help to install them. So, I got it pretty dang near perfect. If we look at it right now from this side, I mean, take a look from there to here. We'll go back one more time. I mean, from the eye, it's perfect. You got to feel and you got to be very nitpicky. So, and honestly with that, I don't think you can get it perfect unless you have some kind of measurement and all this. I don't know. But I had a blast with it. I think it looks amazing. It finally finishes the whole body. Look, I mean, from the front lip to the side skirts to the booty. Oh my gosh. Boys, I think it looks awesome. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you love the car, how it looks. I love it. Plenty of other things coming up to this car, and I just can't wait. So, and to leave on that note, press that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications for the next videos. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.